Hello everyone, this is Steve with the free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is July 19th. I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for silver and gold. And to review quickly last week's video, I had shown you in gold and silver's price charts these bull flags in the red lines here. These are bull flags here taking shape. I basically said that after gold made its most recent move upwards, that we're going to continue to see consolidation levels after each leg up. And that's what we're seeing out of gold right now. This line that I posted in last week's video is really what I said is what we're going to see out of silver and gold is a stair step type of look to the chart as it moves its way up. I didn't show that in silver, but I am going to put the same pattern up in silver's price chart just because it's more or less what we're likely to see. Gold and silver are both just trading up, then we'll see a consolidation level. It'll continue to trade up, and then we'll see another consolidation level. And these levels will happen around strong support and resistance levels like 1640, 1650 was a strong resistance and support level, and we saw consolidation and we saw a big dip. But that was because when coronavirus first hit. Then we saw another leg up, and then around 1700, 1705, below 1750, we saw another consolidation area. And now around the 1790, 1800 level, we're seeing another consolidation area, and we'll see another bull flag take shape. And silver, let me just go ahead. You can see basically we're getting a stair step type of look out of silver too. We'll see consolidation below the $20 level. $20 is a not only a strong resistance level, but it's also a psychological level for traders. I did point out to you this bull flag, and the price of silver just rose a little bit above it. It's nothing set in stone, but we're likely going to see another consolidation level here as silver basically consolidates. Profit takers come in. The MACD and the RSI are both saying that we're in oversold territory for silver, and silver will likely continue to trade above the 1890, 1850 level basically, and try to break up above $20. Will it happen in the week to come? That's unforeseen right now. We're in overbought territory on the daily chart for silver. On the 4-hour chart, we're in oversold territory on the MACD, but only in the histogram chart. As far as on the lines are above the neutral zone right now, and in the the RSI, we're in overbought territory. So I mean, we could continue bouncing around this area for a little while before we move up, and that's silver. And for gold in the 4-hour chart, looks like we're basically in neutral territory. On the RSI down here, we're around the 60 level, so 50 is neutral. So we're just slightly above it, and on the MACD, we're clearly just sitting right at neutral territory. So we could see another leg up. Matters what really comes out of the news. The coronavirus, it's not getting any better, but it's not really getting any worse either. As far as, well, let's go see what the numbers say. For the U.S. is what I'm just going to pay attention to. This is today's information. It's updated, well, no, that's 2 days ago. It's usually updated within the hour with worldometer. But the active cases is really what you want to pay attention to. We have slightly under 2 million active cases, where the total cases is 4 million. People have totally had it. But the real important information that we need to pay attention to. One is the daily new cases. That needs to stop growing. But the other important figure that we need to watch is the daily deaths. And that has stayed low, stayed under 1,000. And hopefully it continues to stay under 1,000. Even with all the new cases that are taking place, it'd be a really great thing if we saw a lot less death happen with COVID-19. So that takes care of, excuse me, get back to the charts. That takes care of COVID-19. And again, it's really what comes out in the news. I really think that people are taking a little bit more of an aggressive stance as far as getting rid of this thing. We need to really just heed advice and just get it taken care of. I'm so sick and tired of hearing it in the news, and the press seems to accentuate the worst, and nobody really comes out and says the best, and it's really just getting really tiring. So anyways, with gold, I intend to see continued consolidation, but like I also said, it's creating a bull flag, and we should see another leg up. But 1850 is a very strong resistance level, so we may see it break this bull flag and trade around the 1850 level in the week to come. It really matters on what comes out in the news, and so on. So and the price of silver, I also expect a consolidation level around the 1890, below the $20 mark. It'll continue to look like this, basically like stairs going upwards, because there's nothing holding back gold and silver. There's just nothing holding. There's more and more fire getting below it than anything holding back. But if COVID-19, well, quite honestly, even if COVID-19 does get better, as far as after the election, I would say we won't see anything stopping gold and silver from rising. So, and even after the election, I don't see it. I mean, I'm not going to talk about politics, but we'll really have to see who wins. But either way, when it comes down to facts, it comes down to spending, it comes down to the Fed, it comes down to other factors in our world, which just seems to be getting crazier and crazier. And as long as crazy continues to reign in the world, we'll continue to see silver and gold continue to move higher, because uncertainty is silver and gold's best friend. So that's it for this week's review and outlook for the free bullion investment guide. I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.